Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next component from this crane hook assembly, and it's going to be this one. This is how it's going to look. Now let's start. We'll go ahead and open a new SolidWorks document and let's make this plain white. And now we'll start with a sketch in the right plane. Here we'll start with a circle. This circle will have the diameter 44 millimeters. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command. And here, instead of blind, let's change to mid plane. And here the distance should be 94. Or actually, let's make it 94 and we'll add 56. So make it 150, press OK. And now we're gonna open a sketch in the front plane. And here we'll select center line. We'll make two center lines, just like this. And then we're gonna make a corner rectangle. Actually, let's make a center rectangle better. The center point for this center rectangle should coincide with this edge. This line we're gonna make it to coincide with this edge, to be collinear actually. Alright, and now let's select this rectangle with this center line and select here mirror entities command. Okay, and now with smart dimension let's give some dimensions. First, this line here will have 28 millimeters. And then from this line to this one, here the diameter will be 32. Now go to features, use revolved cut, and as axis of revolution we're gonna select this center line and press OK. Alright, now the next thing we'll have to do is to apply some cosmetic thread to these ends. To do that we'll go to this arrow, go to insert, to annotation, to cosmetic thread, and the size should be 30×30. Select this edge first, and then we're gonna select here instead of up to next blind. And now we'll also have to select this face, and the depth for this should be 18. And now let's see if it's working to select also this other edge. Alright, so 18. If it's not working, we're gonna have to make two of them. Anyway, let's press here OK, and it seems that it worked. Let's go to options, document properties, detailing, and select here shaded cosmetic threads. Press here OK, and it worked. That's good. Now let's apply some material to this one also. Go to material, right click, edit material, and then I'm going to select this one and press here apply and close. Okay, this one is a little bit strange. Okay, now it's better. Anyway, this was the second part. this was the tutorial for today. Don't forget to subscribe to see the next parts. Leave a like if you like it, leave a comment with your opinion, and thank you for watching. See you next time.